Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Amirah binti Muhammad Hanafi, metro number 1180781 from KME3, and I'm going to present about my assignment in portfolio investment. So I have been given a virtual money, which is 100,000 ringgit to be invested in 5 different shares, and I have choose 5 a company which is MHC plantations from the plantations industry. Inari and DO comes from technology industry, and also Darwin and Wong from industry productions, because all these industry is uptrend from my research, and I need to invest for 1 year starting from 1st January of 2021 until 31st of December 2021. And here is my distributions of my portfolio, which is 20% each, and the total is 100%. Let's move to the portfolio return. Here is the historical data and also the return data for each stock in 1 year. And here it is the expected returns, standard deviations, variance, shocks, correlations, and also the variance and covariance metric. All these are calculated based on the formula. Let's move to the next one. Okay, this is risk-free and also risk premium. Here it is retrieved from on November 2021. It is same for each stock, but for the beta, it is differ. It is based on the company. But as we can see, is the beta for all stock is positive. It's actually risky. It is actually quite risky. As we can see, for example, like one is 1.8% of beta. So if the market rise or increase of 10%, the beta also will increase 18%. But if the market decrease of 10%, the beta will also decrease 18%. So it's quite risky actually. And for a CAPM, it's actually helpful to determine and to measure what is the return that the investor deserve based on the investment they made. So here is mine. Okay, let's move to the next one. Okay, here actually we can get it from the previous sheets, but what I want to present is here is about portfolio optimizations. I use a solver actually in order to get a new weightage based on our expected return, and here is mine. Next one is efficient frontier. Okay, as you can see, the efficient frontier graph is like a C curve, and it have a upper curve and also the lower curve. In order to produce this graph, we need to set the target using the solver. And the target that I use is based on my expected return. The first one is I take the highest expected return and also the lowest expected returns in order to mark the highest and the lowest graph, and the others is I determine based on the range of the expected return. And as we can see, this one is the upper curve, and this one is the lower curve. The upper curve is actually more profitable, so we need to invest more on the upper curve because it's more profitable than the lower curve, as we can see here. And next is the stock investment. Here is the total cost of my investment. At the beginning of the investment, I used 100,000 ringgit, and the market value at the end of my investment is 162,265 ringgit and 70 cents. And as we can see, the differences or the gain is 62 ringgit, 62,000 265 ringgit and 73 cents. And generally, I got a profit of more than 50% of my cost, which is 62.3%. And we can see from my all stock, my 5 stock, I got a profit. And the most is coming from the Wong and DO, as I got the return more than 100%. Next is the analysis for the Sharp, Trino, and also Jensen's. Okay, here you can see all the analysis is negative. Actually, it's not good to have a negative analysis because it indicates that it is risky and unhealthy investment. But however, I still succeed to get a profit on my investment, which is 62,265 ringgit and 73 cents, which is more than 50% of my capital. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.